I decided while I'm busy here, let me somewhere do a video on how to fold the shirts, or how I'm folding the shirts. This is not the only method, but it is a good method. I like this method because what happens with this method is you fold the shirt from the front. So I can look at the shirt and make sure I'm happy with everything that's happening here on the shirt. So what I do is, so this method is a simple method. I'm going to go through it quickly now, and then I'll go through it slowly. So the main thing is to make sure that the shirt is flat, properly flat. And then what you do is you grab it here just under the shoulders, and you just lift it up, and then it's flat. And then the next step is also an easy step. You turn it to the side, grab it here in line with the collar more or less, hold it up, you can shake it a bit, and then you fold it, and then there's a shirt. Nice. And what you can do is then grab it here at the bottom again, and you fold it, and then you've got a beautifully folded shirt. So now I'm going to do it again. I do it slightly different. I'm going to use some pins just to make sure that nothing opens up. I'll remove the pins later. It takes a slightly longer, but it's personal preferences, and that's how I like to do it. So I fold the collar in, the sleeve in like this, and then I fold it again. And if you really want to, you can give it a good press, but it's not necessary. Then I just pin them here. And the idea is basically just to keep it flat. So when you lift up the shirt, everything remains sort of flat. And when you open it up to remove the pins, everything is. So there's a few pins there. I follow the curve of the sleeve here, just like that. And then the pinning takes the longest, but if you do it like this, then you are happy at the end of the day. When you take the pins out, the sleeves are nice and flat, and you don't have to fold it again or do something with it. The only thing is you need to use sharp pins, like these dressmaker pins, because what they do is you can damage the shirt. So there's our shirt now, nicely folded. We're going to grab it here again, lift it up, fold it over, move the collar I move it a little bit further, so that when we grab it here, it is, so everything is nice and flat here. There's only going to be a few folds in the shirt when we finished. I turn it just like this. There it is. I grab it here in line with the collar, lift it up so nothing is falling apart, and then I fold it over, and there's our shirt nicely done. So now the only thing that needs to happen is it needs to be folded like this, and there it is. But here you can see there's a little bit of the sleeve sticking out. So what we're going to do is just take out our pins. There it is. And just move the sleeve a little bit in for that side and this side as well. We take out the pins here and the pins here. And then the sleeves are nicely moved in and we fold it over. And there's this, the shirt. So this is a nice method. When you open up the shirt again, everything is nice and flat. There's not too many wrinkles and it looks good. So this is really an easy method and it is a nice method to fold shirts. It works perfectly.